Welcome you all. I am Srinath, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department, Canara Engineering College, Mangalore. So this is lecture number 4 on module number 3, that is fluid dynamics. In this session, I am going to explain about orifice meter. The orifice meter or orifice plate, it is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of fluid through a pipe. There are one more instrument, that is a venturimeter. So that is also used to measure the rate of flow of fluid through the venturi of fluid through the pipe. The orifice meter, so it is works on same principle of the venturimeter, that is Bernoulli's equation. So this venturimeter as well as orifice meter works on the principles of Bernoulli's theorem. It consists of a flat circular plate which has a circular sharp-edged hole called orifice, which is concentric with the pipe. The orifice diameter is kept generally 0.5 times the diameter of the pipe. Sometimes it may vary between 0.4 to 0.8. So this is the construction of the orifice meter. In this one, in between pipe, a orifice plate is coupled by using the flanges. These are the pipe flanges, and in between that flanges, this orifice plate is inserted, and there are two openings are there in that pipe section. So in order to connect that one to YouTube manometer. So here it shows the views of that orifice plate. So actually there is a flange of the pipe, and the two gaskets are used while inserting this orifice plate to the flange in order to prevent the leakage of the fluid through that openings or between that gap between the flanges. So differential manometer is connected at section 1, so which is at a distance about 1.5 to 2 times the diameter of the pipe, and it is connected upstream from the orifice plate, and at the section 2, so which is at a distance about the half the diameter of orifice on the downstream side of the orifice plate. So from this figure we can see the connection of these two manometer hands. The section 1, another one is in section 2. So here P1 is equals to pressure at section 1, V1 is equals to velocity at section 1, A1 is equals to area of pipe at section 1, and similarly P2, V2, A2 are pressure, velocity and area at section 2. So now applying the Bernoulli's equation at section 1 and 2, the Bernoulli's equation is the P1 by rho g plus P1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. So now we can arrange this one as the P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 is equals to V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g. But the P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 is equals to known as pressure head, that is H, or differential head. So now according to this expression, now the H is equals to V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g, or the 2gh is equals to V2 square minus V1 square. Then the V2 is equals to square root of 2gh plus V1 square. That is expression number 1. Section 2 is at the vena contracta and A2 represents area at vena contracta if A0 is the area of the orifice. Then we have the C of C is equals to A2 by A0, where C of C is the coefficient of contraction. A2 is equals to A0 into CC. Coefficient of, there is a A2 is equals to A0 into C of C. That is equation number 2. By continuity equation we have the A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2, or the V1 is equals to A2 V2 by A1. So that is expression number 3, or V1 is equals to A0 into C of C by A1 into the multiplied with the V2. Now substituting the value of V1 in equation from equation number 1, so V2 is equals to square root of 2gh plus A0 square C of C square V2 square by A1 square, or the V2 square is equals to 2gh plus A0 by A1 whole square C of C square into V2 square. Now V2 square minus A0 by A1 whole square into C of C square V2 square is equals to 2gh, and further it is get simplified, and V2 is equals to square root of 2gh by square root of 1 minus A0 by A1 whole square into C of C square. So these are the just simplifications of the equations. So now discharge, we know discharge is equals to A2 into V2, or V2 into A0 into C of C, because A2 is equals to A of A0 into C of C. Then substitution of that values in this expression, that is expression number 4. The expression is simplified by using the coefficient of discharge is equals to C of C into square root of 1 minus A0 by A1 whole square by square root of 1 minus A0 by A1 square whole square into C of C square, and that is substituted here. The C of C, the area coefficient of contraction is equals to like that, and substituting the value of C of C in equation number 4, and the discharge, this is the simplifications further, and that, and finally we will get the discharge Q is equals to C of C into A0 into A1 square root of 2gh by square root of A1 square minus A0 square. So this is expression for discharge to the orifice meter. Next, to move on to the numerical part on this orifice meter. So that is a problem number 1. An orifice meter with orifice diameter 10 cm is inserted in a pipe of 20 cm diameter. The pressure gauges fitted upstream and downstream of the orifice meter gives reading of 19.62 Newton per centimeter square and 9.81 Newton per centimeter square respectively. Coefficient of discharge for the meter is given as 0.6. Find the discharge of water through the pipe. So here orifice meter and the diameter is given. The diameter of orifice diameter is a 10 centimeter and the pipe diameter is given as a 20 centimeter. That is d of naught is equals to 10 centimeter, d of 1 is equals to 20 centimeter. The pressure gauges are fitted at upstream of the orifice meter that reads there is a pressure at point 1 is equals to 19.62 Newton per centimeter square and at downstream that is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. The coefficient of the discharge is given, so that is 0.6. Now find out, so what is the discharge through the pipe. The solution is like that. The D1 is given as 20 centimeter. Then find out the area at section 1 by using formula pi into D1 square by 4. Now area is equals to 314.16 centimeter square and D naught, the diameter of orifice is 10 centimeter. Then find out the area at the orifice. That area is equals to 78.54 centimeter square. The CD value is 0.6. Now pressure at upstream is 19.62 into Newton per centimeter square. So that is equals to 19.62 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. And P2, the pressure at downstream is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square is equals to 9.81 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. So we know that the P1 by rho g, the pressure head, is equals to 19.62 into 10 to the power 4 by density of the water is 1000 and g value is 9.81. So that is equals to 20 meter of water. And pressure head at section 2 is given by P2 by rho g is equals to 9.81 into 10 to the power 4 by 1000 into 9.81. So that is equals to 10 meter of water. So we know that the H is equals to differential head is equals to P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g. So that value is now 10 meter of water. The H value is 10 meter of water. So discharge formula in orifice meter. So the orifice meter, the Q is equals to CD into square root of 2GH A naught A1 by square root of A1 square minus A naught square. Then Q is equals to CD value is given as 0.6. Square root of 2 into G value is 9.81 into H is equals to 1000 and substitute the area values on this equation, then simplify and get the discharge as 68.21 liters per second. So this is the solution for this numerical, that is a flow rate is measured by using orifice meter. Now numerical number 2, an orifice meter with orifice diameter 15 centimeter is inserted in a pipe of 30 centimeter diameter. The pressure difference measured by mercury oil differential manometer on the two sides of the orifice meter gives a reading of 50 centimeter of mercury. Find the rate of flow of oil of specific gravity 0.9 when the coefficient of discharge of meter is 0.64. The solution is like that. The diameter at section 1, that is 30 centimeter. So now find out the area at the section 1 by using the formula. Area is equals to pi d square by 4. and that area at section 1 is equals to 706.85 centimeter square. The orifice diameter is 15 centimeter. So now find out area at the orifice. That is equals to 176.7 centimeter square. The coefficient of discharge of orifice meter is 0.64. Specific gravity of oil, that is S of O, so that is equals to 50 centimeter of mercury. The difference of pressure head, so that is calculated by using formula H is equals to X into S of G by S of O minus 1. The H is equals to 50 into 13.6 by 0.8 minus 1. The H is equals to 705.5 centimeter of oil. So now discharge Q is equals to C of CD into square root of 2GH and into A0 into A1 by square root of A1 square minus A0 square, and substitute all the values on this equation. Now find out the Q, and that Q is equals to 137.414 liters per second. So this is the solution for this numerical. So in this session we discussed about what is the expression for orifice meter, and also we get solved some numericals that is connected to the orifice meter. Thank you.